Hi everyone, it's Kathy Schroing, physical therapist with ReNu Physical Therapy and Wellness. And today we're going to continue with the series on a few of my favorite things. Today we're going to talk about this little tool here. Now, its name is a Gua Tool, spelled G-U-A. And this one is specifically made out of a rose quartz. It's really extra smooth, very polished. Even the edges are very smooth. It's not at all sharp as it might look like it is. And just different shapes and knobs that make it very useful. What I typically use this for most often is someone who has like plantar fasciitis, and I need to really get into the arch of their foot area where it's really tight. There's a lot of toughness, a lot of pain often too, and really get in the work there. And this tool just is a perfect curve to get into that area. Sometimes I'll use this side, that, however, whatever seems most appropriate. It just, again, is another tool that I can use to really get the desired results of breaking up adhesions, scar tissue, and really get a little bit of a stretching in that tissue there. Anyway, if you have any questions, comments, go ahead and post below, or you can message us at ReNu Physical Therapy and Wellness. Thank you for watching.